The Maverick is in two minds this evening to comment or not to comment about the West Indies getting beaten by Ireland in the ODI series. They lost the series 2-1, and it really should have been 3-0 because Ireland gave away the first game. And look, what can we say about the West Indies that has not been said already? Say them no good, them are the worst, say them worthless, and them no have no shame. But seriously though, should we be beating up the individual players who are really creatures of their environment and can only be as good as the systems and structures across the region allow them to be? And even the systems and structures cannot escape the evolution of the game towards the shorter, faster, big money formats. Our young cricketers, more than anywhere else in the world, are basically not interested or motivated to play anything longer than T20 cricket. The man them who playing test and ODI cricket just eat a food because they don't have the big money white ball T20 contracts. But the real talented players are all about franchise money cricket. So like this ODI series, we saw players playing without the pride and the love and the passion, plus them no good.